Shanghai Future High-Tech Company Limited is the pioneer group in China, the leading professional metal injection molding (MIM) manufacturer in the world. Future High-Tech owns internal mold design, development, and fabrication workshop with world-class advanced manufacturing equipment. With the various intellectual patents of MIM and CIM technology and BASF catalyst technology from Germany, Future High-Tech is the leading MIM manufacturer in China. MIM technology combines the advantages of powder metallurgy and plastic injection molding technologies. The first step of production is the feedstock preparation by mixing the material of metal powder and binder. Then inject the feedstock to injection molding machine as a green part. Following with debinding and sintering process through the continuous furnace operation. So as to evaporate the binder in the part and condensate the metal element under high temperature. Then the parts are finished. After a series of post-processing operation and testing, the entire process had completed. Future High-Tech has strong ability on automation development for production and inspection, such as fabrication by robotic arm, vision probe inspection, automatic optical inspection system, OMM dimensional inspection. For quality control, various reliability tests will be done internally to support the customers. MIM technology has been widely applied to various fields such as automobile, telecommunication, industrial tool, medical equipment, consumer electronic, and sport activity device, etc. Future High-Tech provides a complex component with premium quality and competitive cost solution, offers a win-win strategy to the world